Hello students, today we will discuss some important formulae as well as problem of the chapter gravitation. So let us start making list of important formulae. First formula, it is related to Kepler's laws of gravitation motion. So first, Kepler's law, it is change in area of orbit 1 by 2 r into v into del t, where v is velocity of the planet and del t is the time interval in which it covers or it shifts out particular area, that is del A. The same formula we can write del A by del t is equal to 1 by 2 r into v. So this is del A by del t. It is nothing but one adjustment we will do, multiply and divide by m. So it becomes m rv twice m, and m rv is nothing but L, angular momentum. So it becomes L upon twice m. This is most important formula. Del A by del t is equal to L upon twice m. Third one, t square, it is directly proportional to r cube. T is the period of revolution of any planet around the sun, and r is the radius of that planet, radius of orbit of planet. Then fourth one, gravitational force. According to Newton's law of gravitation, gravitational force is given by formula F is equal to gmm upon r square, where r is distance between two objects. Suppose this object having capital mass m, capital M mass, and another object having small mass m. R is distance. Then the gravitational force is given by this formula F is equal to gmm upon r square. This gravitational force, it also satisfy principle of superposition. That means what we can write, F12 plus vector F2 F13 plus vector F14 plus and so on is equal to 0. That is summation of Fij, where j varies from 1 to n. This is principle of superposition. Then acceleration due to gravity, small g, formula is gm upon r square. Acceleration due to gravity of any planet, it will depends on the mass of planet and the radius of planet. So capital G is universal gravitational constant, m mass of planet, r radius of planet. The same formula at height h, gh is equal to gm upon r plus h square at particular height h. Then again for gravity at height h, we can obtain formula G in bracket 1 minus 2h upon r. 2h upon r. If h is very less than r, we can use this formula, and if h is comparable to radius, we can use this formula. Then gravity at depth, G in bracket 1 minus d by r, where d is depth, that is distance from the surface of earth. Then apparent gravity, this one 6, 7, 8, 9. Apparent gravity due to the effect of latitude, it is given by formula G apparent, or we can say G dash, G minus r omega square cos square phi, where r is radius of planet, that is radius of earth, omega angular velocity of earth, and phi is latitude. This phi is called as latitude. Then next formula, potential energy, change in potential energy, it depends on force, remember. So it is minus F into dr. This F is particularly Fg, that is force due to gravity, and we can take integration for this range Ri to Rf. Ri means its initial position and Rf is position vector of final position. This is position vector of initial position. If we integrate the same formula, on integrating we get and substituting value of Fg, because Fg is Gmm upon R square. So on substituting this value here, we get formula Gmm in a bracket 1 upon Ri minus 1 upon Rf, where Ri is position vector of initial position and Rf is position vector of final position. This change in potential energy, it also depends on the potential. So change in potential, I will denote del V. It is nothing but del U upon M. The same formula we can write V2 minus V1 is equal to U2 minus U1 upon M. Remember, V1 and V2, these are the potential, and U1 and U2, this is nothing but potential energy, first and second potential energy. Sometimes we can also use formula for change in potential energy as mgh. On simplifying this, we get same formula mgh. Then next formula for binding energy. So before binding energy, let us consider potential energy of any satellite or planet. It is minus Gmm upon R. This small r is nothing but R plus H, and kinetic energy is half mv square. So here V is Vc, critical velocity, and the formula for critical velocity is under root Gm upon R plus H. So it becomes Gmm upon 2 times R plus H. So here one formula, remember, critical velocity is under root of Gm upon R plus H. This value we can substitute here. So from potential energy and kinetic energy, we get total energy, and total energy becomes, which is sum of potential energy and kinetic energy, 14. Total energy, it is nothing but sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. It is minus Gmm upon 2 times R plus H. Then binding energy. Binding energy, mathematically it is minus of total energy. So minus minus becomes plus Gmm 2 times R plus H. This is binding energy. Then formula for escape velocity. We can find out escape velocity for different condition: rest on Earth's surface at particular height h, and revolving in revolving case. So generally problems depends on the resting on Earth's surface, under root 2 Gm upon R. This is formula for escape velocity when object is rest on Earth's surface. Then the final formula, period of satellite, T is equal to 2 pi under root R plus H cube upon Gm. R plus H, it is nothing but small r plus H. So same formula we can convert in terms of density of planet, and the density of planet becomes T is equal to under root 3 pi upon G rho. Here we substitute mass. We know that density is nothing but mass upon volume, and planet is just like a sphere, solid sphere. So it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we can substitute the value of m here, and final result we get t is equal to under root 3 pi 0. So this is all about the formula, important formula. Now we will solve problem. See this problem, question number 4, Roman 1 from the Maharashtra State Board book. At what distance below the surface of earth acceleration due to gravity decreases by 10% of its value at the surface? So we know that if suppose this is the sphere of earth, here we consider that acceleration due to gravity is g. As we go inside the earth's surface, that is at particular depth, here acceleration due to gravity will change. Suppose it is represented by gd. So how gd is related with g? By formula gd is equal to g in bracket 1 minus d by r. This formula should known to us. Now what is given? Acceleration due to gravity decreases by 10%. Decreases म्हणजे कमी होणे. आता पहा इथे gd, it decreases by 10%. That means we can write mathematical equation. Equation आपल्याला असं लिहिता येईल, g अगोदर होतं acceleration due to gravity, आणि याच्यापेक्षा 10% ते कमी होणार, म्हणजे मायनस ऑफ 10% ऑफ g. डिक्रीजेस असलं तर इथे मायनस साइन घ्या. कधी कधी प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये इन्क्रीजेस असेल प्लस. सो रिमेंबर दिस, gd, g 10% means 10 by 100 g. So gd it is 90 g by 100. gd by g it is 90 by 100, that is 0.9. आता हे इक्वेशन तुम्हाला मिळालं. डायरेक्टली या इक्वेशनला इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करा. हा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहिती आहे, gd इज इक्वल टू जी इन ब्रॅकेट 1 मायनस डी बाय आर. हा जी मी इकडे घेतो, gd बाय जी 1 मायनस डी बाय आर. ही व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करा, 0.9 1 मायनस डी बाय आर. आपल्याला डी फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ॲट व्हॉट डिस्टन्स बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ, म्हणजे डेप्थ काढायची आहे. सो डी बाय आर 1 मायनस 0.9. याला इकडे शिफ्ट केलं, याला इकडे शिफ्ट केलं. सो डी बाय आर 0.1. So d is equal to 0.1 into r. 0.1, r ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 6400 किलोमीटर. इट इज गिवन टू यू. सो इट इज 640 किलोमीटर. See second problem, question number 2, Roman 2. If the earth were made of wood, the mass of wooden earth would have been 10% as much as it is now, without changing its diameter. Calculate the escape speed from the surface of earth. The formula for escape speed, that is escape velocity, is under root 2gm upon r. आता इथे कंडिशन कोणती ती दिलेली नाही तुम्हाला. एस्केप स्पीड कुठून काढायचं आहे नेमका, तर आपण कन्सिडर करायचं रेस्ट फ्रॉम अर्थ सरफेस. मग रेस्ट फ्रॉम अर्थ सरफेसचा हा फॉर्म्युला आहे, v इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 2gm अपॉन r. m मास ऑफ अर्थ, that is 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg, and r radius of earth 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. ह्या दोन व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही लक्षातच ठेवा. एखाद्या वेळेला प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये देत नाही, एखाद्या वेळेला देतात. बेस्ट वे तुम्ही डायरेक्ट मेमोराइज करा या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू. आता प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये काय सांगितलेलं आहे, इफ अर्थ वेअर मेड ऑफ वूड, म्हणजे आपल्याला अज्युम करायचं की अर्थ वूड पासून तयार झालेली आहे आणि त्याचं मास हे 10% असेल, ॲज मच ॲज इट इज नाऊ. सध्या एवढं आहे, ते याच्या 10%. मग आता हे तुम्ही दोन पद्धतीने सॉल्व्ह करू शकता प्रॉब्लेम. आयदर वी कॅन डू कंपॅरिझन बाय कन्सिडरिंग वूड अँड नाव कंडिशन, or we can simply take the mass of wooden earth. डायरेक्ट इथेच याला कन्वर्ट करून टाका. जर आपण अर्थ वूडची कन्सिडर केली तर याचं मास हे बदलून जाईल आणि ते 10% इज प्रेझेंट व्हॅल्यू आहे. म्हणजे 10% ऑफ 6 into 10 raised to power 24. So 10 by 100, 6 into 10 raised to power 24, that is 6 into 10 raised to power 23 kg. आता काय करायचं, डायरेक्ट हे मास इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करून टाका. दॅट विल गिव्ह अस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एस्केप व्हेलॉसिटी अंडर रूट 2 g. कॅपिटल जी इज युनिव्हर्सल ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल कॉन्स्टंट. या लिस्टमध्ये आणखी एक कॉन्स्टंट लक्षात ठेवा, कॅपिटल एम, कॅपिटल आर आणि जी. जी आहे 6.67 इंटू 10⁻⁻11 SI युनिट. SI सिस्टीममध्ये म्हणजे न्यूटन इंटू मीटर स्क्वेअर पर kg स्क्वेअर. तर ही व्हॅल्यू लक्षात ठेवायची. 6.67 इंटू 10⁻⁻11 m 6 इंटू 10⁻23 अँड रेडियस. इथे प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे विदाऊट चेंजिंग इट्स डायमीटर, मीन्स विदाऊट चेंजिंग इट्स रेडियस. रेडियस बदलत नाही, मग रेडियस तीच घ्यायची आपण. 6.4 इंटू 10⁻6. वी कॅन सॉल्व दिस. 12 6.67 10⁻²112 divided by 6.4 into 10⁻6. On solving this, the final answer escape velocity is 3.54 km/s. Solve by using log table.